Hi, this is Nathalie from LineDotArrow from the Netherlands, and I'm here, well, with something exciting. Um, Together with Suzanne from Nostop Papercrafts, we did a collaboration again, and we created a Christmas kit together, and it's called Cozy Christmas, and it is two designers made two. Well, we are the designers, of course, but Suzanne and I made two kits together. Actually, two per designer. We have a main kit and an add-on, so in total there are 4 kits, and we have designed these to go together. Um, and there will be challenges in the Facebook groups, so more groups, not only in Line.arrow but also in Haystack Crafty Corner, Sweet Pea Papers, Choose Sister Jam, and Junk Journal tutorials and more. And I have all the freebies, not the freebies, I linked all um, the links down below. And of course there will be freebies, yeah, but this is just to do a show and tell video of the kits. My main kit has 20 pages and the add-on has 14 pages. They will be both on sale in both our shops, with a 20% discount on each kit. But there's also a listing, there is a bundle, so you have the main kit and the add-on, and that will be on sale with 50% if you purchase both the kits in that bundle. It's one listing, so don't go buy this one separate so you have 2 items, then you only have 20% discount on each item. But if you go to the bundle, the main kit plus the add-on kit, it is with 50% off. So first, let me show you the main kit. This is just a promo sheet, of course. We have large tags, and it has sort of a grungy vibe, I think. It's not really grungy, but it's a lot of neutral tones and reds and greens. A lot of scripts. There are journal pages, background pages, collage pages. There are also collage pages. This is absolutely one of my favorite pages. I really like this one. And you have this one. Then you have a sheet with tags and little fuzzy cut elements. You have this one, an actual journal / writing paper. And we have this one. And this is also one of my favorite pages. I really like this one. And there are more tags to play with in different sizes, so you can layer them. Another background page, and I think they are called ponchettas, if I'm pronouncing it the right way. We say kerststerren. Kerst is the same as Christmas. Christmas for you is kerst in Dutch, and sterren is like a star because it has the shape of a star, the flower. So we call it kerstster. So you learned something Dutch today. Some pockets, little elements to fuzzy cut. And isn't this one adorable? I really like this one. And there are other friends, little elements. You can tie this with ribbons or make a sort of a belt on a page, or use this as a frame for like stamps or anything. Then of course you have the numbers, and I know I had to stop somewhere over here, but I also did these because in case you do a December daily, you have the numbers for each day. These has little Christmas images, Then we have these, also little fuzzy cut elements over here. A script backing paper. An envelope with also little fuzzy cut elements. This is also one of my favorite pages. I really like this. I like everything. This one is very cute too. And then I also added an extra paper where I put, I believe it's 3? Yeah, 3 pages on one. These are a little bit different spots, but there are the 3 pages on one. So you have the tiny elements too, to put on your tags or journal cards. So this is the main kit. And then we also have the add-on kit. The add-on kit has 14 pages. Also one of my favorite pages, to be honest. This one. There's a lot going on, a lot of grungy, and there are coffee stains, different scripts, and of course the red berries. Tuck, well, corner tucks, I don't know how to call them. They are not pockets, but you put them in the corner. These are being folded to the inside. Well, these, not this. And you can layer them, of course. Then there is some sort of quilted paper with different elements on it. Also a favorite page of mine. Then there are postcards. Really like these too. Another journal page. Tags to layer or to use single, whatever you want. Another gorgeous backing paper. The collage sheet. This is also one of my favorite pages. I really like this one. And there's an envelope, journal card, and some little elements to cut out and put on whatever you want. And there is a journal page. Straight pockets. And that is the final. No, it's not the final. This is the final paper. Also a favorite page of mine. So yeah, you can also just buy the add-on, of course, and enjoy yourself over there. And for those of you who are not able to purchase all these kits, because we do understand it's not for everybody to buy all the kits we want. I wish we could all do that, but I know in reality you can't. There are also freebies available. I'm not going into depth about the freebies and the challenges in this video, because this was just a show and tell video. But like I said at the beginning, we are hosting challenges, Suzanne from Nostop Papercrafts and myself from LineDotArrow in LineDotArrow, but the same challenges will run in the other 4 Facebook groups. So you'll have 5 places to join the challenges, and joining in is like crafting something from the freebies, from the challenges, put it in with a hashtag, and the hashtag is #Cozy Christmas Collab. And then if you use the kit, it is 2 entries. If you used only the freebies, it is 1 entry. And what does it mean? Your name will be in the name picker wheel, and there will be prizes. Now, I'm going to tell you more about the prizes in the other video, but there will be physical prizes and digital prizes. But you can post in 5 groups, and there will be 6 winners drawings, because Suzanne is doing one with all the posts in LDA, I'm doing one with all the posts in LDA, and then there will be one in HCC, Haystack Crafty Corner, then Sweet Pea Papers, 2 Sister Jam, and Junk Journal tutorials and more. So it's worth your while if you even to join in with the freebies, and we all will have a lot of fun. And it starts tomorrow and it ends the day before Christmas. So it's in the middle of 1 month, well, the end of 1 month and 3 weeks of the next month, there will be 3 weeks of challenges, and the 4th week you can finish everything up. And if you just joined in the 4th week, you can do whatever you want. You don't have to do each week challenge, but of course, the more you make, the more you post, the more entries you will have in the giveaway. Okay, I was saying I didn't want to go into depth about all these challenges, but I sort of did. But in the next video where I show you the freebies, there will be more explanation about the challenges, and there will also in each Facebook group there will be events, and the events is like what do you call them? We call them events, but we call them the challenge. Well, it's a challenge, but you have to make an event in a Facebook group, and there is a description what to be expected, what to do, and what you can win. And the other thing I want to tell you is there will be freebies for each week challenge from Suzanne from Nostop Papercrafts and from myself from LineDotArrow. So there are 2 sets of freebies per week. But there will also be a freebie paper, a page from each designer each week in each Facebook group. So there are 4 Facebook groups. I'll have 1 per designer, so that's 2 per Facebook group. And you have 3 weeks, so there will be 12 freebies only in the other Facebook groups. Together with the freebies from Suzanne and myself in LineDotArrow, you will have a complete kit. Because it's Christmas, we wanted to do something extra. And yeah, this is a way to do something extra, have more freebies. There's also a review video of Suzanne's kit and the add-on kit, so make sure you watch that video too. I will link her video down below. I will also have the links to all the Ko-fi pages and to the Facebook groups where you can go and become a member. So when the freebies are released, you have access to those freebies and you can join in with the challenges. And yeah, we just hope you will all join in with the fun. Yeah, this is it. And we worked really hard on this. I think we almost worked on it for 2 months. Well, when I was sick, I couldn't work on it, but we started very, very, very early. And we really look forward to playing with the papers together with you all. So yeah, this is it for today. If you have questions, want to leave me a comment, please do below the video. Leave a like. If you're new to the channel, you just subscribed, I forgot to say, welcome to the channel. If you're not a subscriber but you want to be, I really love seeing you over here. Make sure you hit the bell and put the notifications on for every video, so you know when there will be a new freebie video with a new challenge or a new kit review or a new tutorial. So you can stay tuned, because it's all tailored to the Facebook group, so keep an eye on the channels. And yeah, we hope to see everybody join in and have fun. And this is it. I want to thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay creative, and I hope to see you the next time. Greetings from the Netherlands. Bye bye. Bye.